when you think you're alone out in the woods.
Yeah, we found
it. Ride number 2 with the DRZ. Today, Ken joined me behind there on a Husky 501, and we're out looking for dual sport roads like this. You could call this a road. I don't want to waste too much battery though. It's going to be just a short little run to show you the kind of shit I'm looking for. All the mods that I've done, what was on the bike when I got it, so you know how it's set up. Riders. I've never seen so many people out in the woods.
I know.
I guess, Jordan, this is the sand pit that you're always talking about.
Yeah.
We're finding all kinds of crap today.